To minimize the influence of manufacturing industry on greenhouse effect, China has proposed a significant decision to achieve carbon peaking and carbon neutrality goals, and promote its all walks of life towards green development. Jinan SENFENG Laser Technology Company, Limited, is a globe-spanning metal-forming manufacturer, realize carbon peaking and carbon neutrality towards green development. In recent years, it has given great impetus to green remanufacturing by following the idea of green, low-carbon and circular development. SENFENG is also committed to industrializing and popularizing laser cladding technology. Through technical innovation and reform, it will continue to contribute its share to achieving carbon peaking and carbon neutrality. Laser cladding, a kind of green remanufacturing process. Its uses high-energy laser as its heat source. By synchronously applying laser and alloy powder to metal surface, a highly dense coating will take its shape, to make spare parts surface more resistant to abrasion, corrosion, high temperature and oxidation, so that manufacturing users will enjoy energy conservation, material saving and green production. SENFENG, with the help of some state-of-the-art technologies in additive manufacturing field, aims to serve all customers with laser cladding services, machine fabrication, powder selection, process control, technical support, update service. It has also established its analytical testing laboratory, Leica metallographic microscope, Vickers hardness tester, neutral salt spray test box, friction abrasion testing machine, metallographic sample grinding and polishing machine, high precision analytical balance, multifunctional tensile testing machine, so as to push forward the green remanufacturing, and bring it into the wider use. However, we still have much to do and a long way to go. Jinan SENFENG Laser Technology Company, Limited, has focused on the idea of laser cladding technology for ages, and developed laser cladding machines, relevant production lines and inner-hole copper melting solutions. Based on actual needs of customers from different sectors, it can offer laser cladding process, 100 sets of laser cladding machines, 50 laser cladding lines, 150,000 square meters workshops for laser cladding machines and services, to empower coal, steel, petrochemical, electric power and many other industries. In this way, we may transform the Chinese manufacturing industry to green, intelligent and high-quality development, and make the whole Chinese society sustainable.